the stairs. Ooh, you're almost to the middle. No help from Mommy at all. Yay! You did it! Are you going to keep going? I know, that was hard work, huh? You going to keep going all the way up? I guess so. Here we go. So it would be better if I turn the light on. You can't even see. Well, we'll see once you get to the top. There's light up there. Almost. Oh! Keep going. Oh. Almost, I can see it. Yay! Where to now? Where to now? All done.